as we increase electricity access, as I've said, particularly in rural and marginalized communities, we must strengthen safety education. We must enhance safety education to prevent accidents and incidents and build confidence in electricity usage. Through the Kenya National E-Cooking Strategy, which was launched some time back, we are laying the groundwork for a future where electricity becomes a primary source of cooking energy. Today, less than 1% of Kenyans use electricity as their main cooking fuel. But encouragingly, about 25% already own an electric appliance. As access improves, in line again with the demand, which continues to rise, safety must be the cornerstone of our progress. Because without it, then we are all doomed. The government, therefore, through a series of targeted programs, such as the Last Mile Connectivity Program, has ensured that most Kenyans are connected to the national grid. We purpose to electrify most cooking needs by 2050 as part of our national drive towards net zero emissions. But this vision must be accompanied by trust in the safety of e-cooking solutions, ensuring that every household understands how to use them securely and confidently. I am also persuaded that you are aware of the statistics, very disturbing statistics, that paint the picture of the state of safety awareness in our country. So I must take this opportunity to encourage all of us to carry the message of Kaa Safe Mtaani to our local communities and to all the people that we know.